Do you want to use gestures with a third-party launcher on your Samsung One UI? Look no further. In this video, I'll show you how to use gestures with a third-party launcher. So let's begin. First, go to Play Store, tap on the search bar, type one-hand operation, and then install it. After that, tap on Open. Now toggle it on. Next, adjust the settings what you want, like the left or right handle, and then go back to the home screen. After that, open any app like Google Chrome. Now use your one hand to go back by sliding your finger like this. And that's it. This is how you can use gestures with a third-party launcher on your Samsung phone. Hope you find this video useful. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment box below. Thanks for watching.